Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enable dark mode on your iPhone. Some people find white text on a dark background much easier to read, and a darker interface reduces glare when you're using the phone in the dark. So let's open up settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now here you'll see light and dark modes. Select the dark option and dark mode will be enabled. You can go into dark mode settings and schedule it from sunset to sunrise, or use your own custom schedule. You can select your start time and your end time for the dark mode. And that is how to enable dark mode on your iPhone. Thanks so much for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to this channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and video editing applications. I'll see you in the next one.